Yes, today, today in my office, we are just having some discussions, about Nigeria. And they know me to be a critic in this area, not in negative way, but I always speak the truth and I always speak based on what is going on in the society in that place called Nigeria. Everybody was saying their own parts, and actually, we were discussing at random, talking about what has been going on. You can imagine somebody, a man, a grown up man, by his father, remove his cocoa, this head, and remove it. You know what I mean? By the father. Because of what? I don't know. He's looking for money. So, but now that is not the issue. The issue here, while I said that Nigeria can never move forward, or Nigeria can never be one, or Nigeria can never be fixed. That's all what I've said. And I mean it. I mean it in the sense that when you go to the north, every Igbo man business is a target. If you go to the south, Benin, let me use Benin. Igbo man's house and business is the target. When you go to Lagos, Igbo man is the order of the day, as in is what they discuss. People are talking about the Yorubas, the so-called Yorubas are shouting Igbo must go, Igbo must go. Do you get the point? You go to the south, Ikwere, they say that they are not Igbos. These are the people that are original Igbos. Even though Asare Dokubo said it to them, they don't want to listen. Listen, the whole of South are, I am an Igbo man, the whole of South are our brothers. You cannot take it away. That's the reality. You get the point. They just bring the division, put amongst us, and we start quarreling, and they are milking the oil, and they are doing what they want. That is what is going on. But some level of people, they don't want to understand the truth. They still thinking that things are the other way around. Igbo people are they buy people. They're coming to do this, but those things are fallacies. It's not realities. You understand? So if the South men and boys and girls and men and women thinking in this form, nothing can be fixed. That is why I said that Nigeria can never be fixed. Quote me and prove me wrong. I am not being negative. From the indices, from the what you can see on ground, that is where I determine to speak, to say my own quota. Do you get the point? If the government, there are laws in the country, we have the judiciary that will interpret the law, but it's not working. Those ones they are dead and buried. The police that should enforce the law, those ones they rely on. They want to serve one big organ to get money. They are not even thinking of their future and their pension time, to build their pension time and also increase their develop themselves. They are not thinking about all these things. They are not even thinking how how police force will be reformed and they earn a better salary and dispose their duties judiciously. They are not thinking about that. What they are thinking is what they are told. If you come in business, Igbos are being humiliated. If you come in labor force, employment, Igbos are not there. If you come in politics, in politicians, Igbos they are not playing the role they should play. Do you get the point? If you come in any way you think about it, if you come in infrastructures, Igbos are left out. So there are too many things to talk about. There are too many things to settle. There are too many things to discuss. But these so-called politicians, everybody has gone there to grab, to snatch and run away. Do you get my point? I've not mentioned anybody's name, but this is what is going on. And if you want to prove me wrong, meet me in comment section. I want you to tell me in details how Nigeria can be improved with this level of hatred, with this level of disinclusion, with this level of rejection, with this level of bigotry that has damaged almost most of the people's hearts. Do you understand? One young boy over the social media was saying that he wants Igbo people to fight so that he's going to take their homes and take their factory in Benin. instead of him to go and look for something doing. He is running around thinking when Igbo people will fight and they will take their land. This is exactly what happened in Rivers when they did abandon property. The same thing happened also in Benin, far back. Do you get it? Lagos want to experience, or they want to do the same. Every day, if Igbo business are not put on fire, they are being chased away, they are being rejected, they are being harassed. You can also recall during the last election, this government, you saw what happened in Lagos. Nobody talked about it. So this is from where I derive and summarize that Nigeria can never be fixed. I have not seen anybody that can fix Nigeria. And when you think of what is going on, you see looting going on. The EFCC is doing nothing. The DSS is doing nothing. The police is doing nothing. All of them, the army is doing nothing. They are all being tribalistic. They discharge their duties based on what they are asked to do. They don't do it professionally. Do you get my point? So this, I have watched all this. I have my very bitter experience. I was in army 3 months. I was a kind of, I don't want this, I don't like remembering it, but it pains me a lot because I have a very bitter experience about Nigeria. Since I was born, I have noticed hatred from other tribes, and it has never stopped. This is the reason why most of my videos, you see me, I speak with anger in this level, because I see a lot of things, even in this abroad that we are living. The Yorubas that lives here, the other tribes that lives here, when they hear anything about the Igbos, they are even behaving less like a human than the ones living in Nigeria. The ones here in abroad, they don't even think like people that have seen civilization, people that have seen where laws and managements are working. They are not behaving like that. When you wake up by 2 p.m., 3 p.m., you drive, no problem, nothing will happen to you. There is good road, there is electricity. Even if you call police, you have a problem. If your car breaks down in the middle of the bush, just one dial, they will come and pick you, fix your car, make sure that you're okay, bring another car and give you to continue your journey. But can that happen in that place? It can never happen. So I have watched all these things and see that Nigeria goes nowhere. They haven't started sleeping, not to talk of waking up. That's how I see Nigeria. And that is my submission. Meet me in comment section if what I have said does not make sense. Prove me wrong. Thank you.